You don't see the worst parts of humanity and then not be affected, not be screwed up. I was gonna change the world until the world changed me.
I saw you last night. More importantly, I saw that look in your eyes. But you got a lot of anger inside you. And if you don't find a way to let that out, it's gonna eat you alive.
Enlighten me.
An outlet.
Tonight we'll bring in 150.
Thank you.
Is this your guy?
Yeah.
You think you got what it takes?
Why don't you place the bet and find out?
Are you ready for a fight?
Your boy just killed a cop.
LAPD! Everyone clear the place out now!
What kind of cops you got here?
LAPD caught with money, dope, and guns.
These are bad cops.
Just make sure nothing comes back to haunt us.
We need to end this.
Wasn't sure exactly what he needed, so I brought a few options.
Let's do it.
Line him up! Come on!
I was born for this. You don't know who you mess with. Warriors exist. You take a shot, better not miss. I was born for this. You don't know who you mess with.
I haven't seen your face around here.
Nope. I'm new.